this is a tutorial video on car sounds. Now this may be easier for you, I don't know. There's a lot of tutorials out there, some people can't get them right. That guy, most popular video I think, is this guy basically making fart noises, but he sounds real good. Everybody's tried that, everybody sucks at it, so this is my version. My version is not as good as that, but I say it's pretty good. So I'm about to do this. So what I'm doing, I'll give you a demo first. So sorry if I stuff it up. I'm not very good at cars. I actually don't even drive a car yet, so if I get stuff wrong like the shifting, well, that's just my error, not the actual tutorials on how to make the car sound. So and then, you know, you can go higher. So, you know, the first one was like a muscle car, so like a big block or something. Second one was, I don't know, just a little bit higher, sorry. And then you can go, you know, Lambo, or something like that, you know. And then, you know, you just got to mix it up. First part is vibrating your throat. Now it's hard. Like, if you can, I can't really vibrate, but if you can go, you know, or something, like a growl, that's gonna work. So you got to growl, and what you got to do is you got to place your lips. So when you're doing it, you're pushing out air. You're not sucking in. That's where it's gonna fuck you up if you're doing it. So you want to stick to one side of your mouth. So maybe the left. That's my left. Am I right? So I always use the right. I'm right-handed, so I don't know. Just use my right. Make sure they're wet, and they have to be touching each other, because they got to make a Basically, they got to vibrate. They got to vibrate over here, so it gives the illusion that it's a car sound. So it's like if you've ever done that. Now you can even do it like that. But if you want to look a bit better, because that looks stupid, just do it on one side. So yeah. So you want to make a humming noise as well. So let's say that's going to be my, you know, or something like that. And put your lips together and vibrate try and vibrate it. You don't have to try and like make it growl. Your neck, not your neck. Sorry, your your throat, your throat. So. So you got to make that vibrate as well. Don't try too hard. Like, it'll sound good without too much vibration, but too much will actually hurt your throat, and you won't be able to do it. Not like forever, but you won't be able to do it. You'll feel sore. Oh, reserve power. So you just got to try that. So something like that. It's just a tutorial. You can mix it up, mix it, match it. Thank you, computer. So I'm just gonna head off, and you try that. So just Humming, vibrating, and blowing out air while you're trying to vibrate your lips. So